In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and adjust an arrow in Draw.io. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. Once the editor loads, you'll see your main canvas in the center and a Shapes panel on the left. That left panel is where we'll find everything we need. If your screen is small or the panel looks collapsed, hover over the left edge or click the small arrow to expand it so you can see the categories clearly. In the Shapes panel, look for the section labeled General. This category contains the most commonly used shapes for quick diagramming. Inside General, locate the arrow shape. A single click on that arrow is all it takes. Draw.io will instantly drop the arrow onto your canvas and keep it selected so you can adjust it right away. With the arrow selected, you'll see small handles around it. To change the direction of the arrow, use the Rotate control. Hover near one of the corners until you see the circular Rotate handle. Then click and drag to spin the arrow to the angle you need. If you want a cleaner rotation, hold the Shift key while rotating to snap the angle in neat increments. You can also flip the arrow horizontally or vertically from the toolbar or context menu if you prefer a quick 180-degree change. To fine-tune the pointing direction, drag the end handles to stretch or compress the arrow so it lands exactly where you want. The canvas grid and snapping make alignment easier. If things feel too jumpy or too loose, adjust your zoom level to get more precision and let the snap guides help you line things up. For small nudges, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the shape pixel by pixel. If you'd like the arrow to stand out more, you can adjust its thickness, color, or style from the format options on the right once the arrow is selected. A slightly thicker stroke or a contrasting color can make your diagram easier to read, especially when presenting. When you're happy with its position and direction, click on an empty spot on the canvas to deselect. That's all there is to it. You've opened Draw.io, added an arrow from the General section, and adjusted its direction so it points exactly where you need. Simple, clear, and ready for your diagram.